When finishing the surface editor, the message, "One or more surfaces have errors," pops up. The issue occurs when a surface has a point lower than the screed perimeter and is highlighted by a red dashed line. Confirming the message causes the screed to be generated incorrectly. Proceed by cancelling the message. Select the surface with the error and set the elevation using points P1 and P2 or P3 so that it is above the perimeter. The filling volume is then generated correctly. Close the editor without any further warnings.